BB Bouncer, good morning. Hey, Jonah Hex, good morning. Richard Wancho, nice to see you. Good morning. Nice to see you guys. Kingfish is already in the house. Hey, thank you for sharing the live, Kingfish. Good morning. Nice to see you, Donkey Monk, Money Make. Nice to see you, the Chart Goat. Good morning. Nice to see you guys. How is everyone doing this morning? Good morning. Hey guys, it's Friday, right? Is it Friday? Yeah, I think it's Friday. Good morning, the Chart Goat. Good morning. Guys, thank you for being here this morning. Daniel, Hoodie Harrelson, I love that name. Asai, good morning. Nice to see you. Kay Davies, good morning. Guys, thank you for being in here this morning. Bon Derek, good morning. That's not the Derek, is it? Did he bring the hopium this morning? Good morning, Steve. Nice to see you. Guys, we're going to take a look at the charts today. Good morning, Nurse David. Good morning, Rom Cal. Guys, thank you for being here this morning. Good morning. Hey, Hoodie Harrelson, I love your name. Nice to see you this morning. Ranger Boy, good morning. Guys, thank you for being here this morning. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I know my music's a little bit loud. We're going to ride it out this morning. Guys, I'm the Bullish Babe. I'm here every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for being here for the praise and worship. There we go, skis, every morning, right? Guys, thank you so much for being here this morning. Jan, good morning. Nice to see you. I am here every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, if you haven't followed me, I know there's only 26 people in here right now, but if you're new and you would like to follow me, please click my photo, follow me directly from this live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. I have about 600 copycats on this app. They will try to scam you in your DMs. Good morning. Sultan, nice to see you from Lebanon. Good morning. Thank you for being in here. Guys, we're going to get to the charts in just a little bit. A couple of things before we start. My music is a little bit loud. I do have to tell you a couple of things before we start this morning. I do have an off TikTok group. If you guys want to join that group, Rom Cal, good morning. Nice to see you. I do have an off TikTok group, guys. It is not a signals group, right? I teach in there every single day. It is a live lesson. If you want to get in there, it is 7 days free right now, $3 a day after that. I teach you how to chart first, trade second. We teach you all the indicators, how to use them, and how to apply them to your charts and trade. Good morning, Mike Bustamante. Nice to see you. If you want to get into that group, it is in the first link in my bio. Guys, in 2 weeks, I am going on vacation next week. I will not be in lives on TikTok. However, I will be in that group teaching the class every day except for 2. So if you want to get into that group, next week is the week to use it, the 7 days free. All you have to do is click the link in my bio. Still waiting 4 years. James, you're still waiting 4 years for crypto to pop, right? Short BTC, I can't tell you that, guys, right? I am not a financial advisor. I usually have a backwards hat on. I do have a crop top on. Financial advisors do not wear that, right? I do not financial advise everyone in here. I just show you how to chart. I'm not even trading live on this app. Why? A lot of new beginners. I do not want you copy trading me because most of the new beginners are not watching their trades the way that I do. Jonah Hex, thank you for the smoothie. Rom Cal, thank you for the heart me. I appreciate you guys. Good morning, Mo. Hey, James, good morning. Guys, second thing, I am sponsored by Bitunix. They are my primary exchange. If you are a leverage trader, not if you're not. If you don't know how to leverage trade, I don't care about you using my code. I do not want you to lose money on my code, guys. Please, if and only you are a leverage trader already and you know how to chart, right? Because we learn how to chart first, then we learn how to trade second. Please use my code on Bitunix. Try it out. They're a leverage trading platform where you can trade not just crypto, gold and silver, crude, Forex, and IPOs all on the same platform, guys. I've used them for 3.5 years or 4 years. I think I've been trading for 4 years now. I've used them for 4 years. They are a great exchange. We do have a campaign running. If you do use my code here, you can use them in the US. They are non-KYC, so you don't need to KYC. If you go on bitunix.com and you put in Bullish Babe, you will get a 20% bonus on your deposit for anything over $100 up to a $400 bonus, guys. That is the biggest bonus on any exchange that I've seen so far. And I use them every single day. You should be splitting up your capital on multiple exchanges to trade. Why? Because if one goes down, then you don't lose all of your capital, guys. We are all about safety here, right? We are not about us losing money. We are here to protect our capital and trade in a responsible way. And if you can do that, you can learn how to pull, Joey Mack, good morning. You can learn how to pull money out of this market every single day. This is an income that no one can take from you if you can learn how to do it. That is why I'm here. ARC, the river still flows red, maybe. Joey Mack, thank you. Nice to see you this morning. Guys, we're going to get to business this morning. I am only here for a short period of time. I'm leaving for vacation today. I don't take many vacations, although it seems like I do from this summer. Guys, thank you for being in here. My mods are fire, right? They run this stream every day. They make sure that it goes smoothly. And they are Rude Boy, Assistant, Money Talk, Eric Watson, Lady Longterm, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, B-Rose, and Dream to Action. You guys are G's. Thank you so much for being in here. And Blake and Farrell, you guys are unbelievable. Thank you for helping me run this stream every single day. Blake is in here right now. He said, take a look at gold. We are going to do that this morning. Parked in Peterson, trying to watch from the truck. Quintesson, thank you. Nice to see you. Mr. Squirrel, good morning. Nice to see you. Time for Quiff. Joey Mack, it's always time for Quiff, right? It's always time for Quiff. Here we go. We're starting off with the little worship music and then R. Kelly. There we go, right? Here we go, guys. Let's get to the charts. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for being in here. Thank you for supporting me and being my crowd and my crew. This is one of the best parts of my day, guys. I am only here for about 30 minutes today. We're going to go over Bitcoin. I'm going to take a look at the DXY. We're also going to take a look at gold. That is it for today. Usually I do a bunch of alts. When I get back from vacation, I will be on all platforms. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, Twitter. If you guys can go and follow me on those platforms, all of my verified links are in the link in my bio. Please go and follow me on those platforms, okay? It will be nicer to watch me probably from one of those other platforms. Tap, share, and repost, said BB Bouncer. Please do. If you can repost the live, guys, that really helps. Carrie, nice to see you back in the live. Can you squeeze in CC? Quintesson, I can't today. I just don't have time to. We will make sure we will go over Canton when I get back from vacation, guys. Thank you for being here. Let's get to the charts. Carrie, I'm doing great. I hope you're doing great as well. Let's get there. B-Dogs is in the house, guys. I'm going to make myself small. We're going to make the charts big, and I'm going to put baby in a corner because I'm allowed to do that to myself. Here we go, guys. There we go. Let's take a look at Bitcoin this morning. We love the TT shop. Yeah, we do, BB Bouncer. Here we go, guys. I am not a financial advisor. I will never DM you first. I will never ask for money or for crypto. The only way you can join my group is if you go through the link in my bio. You cannot join it from a DM. Please do not do that. There have been a lot of people who have been scammed, okay? Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Were we running this morning? Yeah, we were running this morning. What did I say the last couple of days, guys? If we do not get up and over 65, at this point, it is 65.5 for me. We don't get up and over 65.5, guys, we are not going further up. We did have a bounce this morning, but we also know that we do usually have a dump at 10 o'clock. Scott Davis, thank you. Good morning. We do, Solano, yo, nice to see you. We do have a dump at 10 o'clock pretty much every morning. Are we waiting for that right now? Let's see. Here we go, guys, on the daily. Guys, yo, Solano. This is, guys, from yesterday to today. This will show you how quickly the charts change, right? Yesterday, daily pointing down, looking dumpy. This morning, what are we doing? We are lifting up on the RSI on the daily. We are also lifting up on the Stokes. We have printed our first green candle on the MACD histogram. And we are pointed up. We just had a bullish cross, guys. The charts change as they do. I do not control them, nor does anyone else except for the big institutions and the market makers, right? We have no clue what they're going to do minute to minute. And when we keep that mindset, and when we understand that we have no control and all we can do is roll with the punches and pivot, Ottoman, thank you, and pivot as the charts do, that is where you become a profitable chartist and trader. Ottoman, thank you, right? Here we go, guys. We are lifting up on the RSI. We're lifting up on the Stokes. MACD just had a bullish cross. Yay, Dookies. Here we go, Blake. Are we going down? We have printed our first green candle on the MACD. I start off on the daily. Where does Blake start, guys? Rusty J, good morning. Blake starts on the lower time frame. So often, if you are in here for the first time, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, we'll get copycats. What you guys will see is I will go through the time frames from the upper time frames to the lower. Meanwhile, Blake usually comes in here and says, uh-oh, we're going the other way. And then by the end of the stream, we can try and figure out where we're going. Are we always right? No, we're not always right, guys. Right? No one is. And what are we looking at? We're looking at the majority and the probability of the charts to see where we are going. Right? We caught the move yesterday and on Tuesday. Are we going to do it again today? Let's see. Right? Blake is saying, yay, Dookies. Let's see if we're going there, guys. Daily time frame. Looking up. What do we also have on the daily, guys? It is an inverted head and shoulders. If Dan says short everything, there we go, Dan. Good morning. Here we go, guys. We have a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. Are we trying to make our way out of this channel and out of this channel? We do that, guys. We can go up here to this resistance level right here at 66,716. We go up to 66,716. Very, very likely, and we get up and over it and bullishly retest this level. Very, very likely, we are going to get up to this level right here at 67,324. And if we get up and over that, we can get to 69,150. What is 69,150? And Jacob, you got it, right? 70K. I am 100% right 50% of the time. Dan, I love that more than anything. That may be one of the things that I say in here regularly, right? Here we go, guys. We get up to 69,149. What are we doing? We are retesting the bottom of this rising channel that we fell out of, bearishly retested here. See, we fell out on a bear flag. We bearishly retested, and then we continued going down. Guys, what I am looking for here is I am looking for a powerful pump with volume and momentum to the upside. We don't get that. We are not getting out of this channel right here. We're going to go to the 8-hour right now. We're going to see what's going on in the 8-hour. Guys, why do I use the 8-hour? I use the 8-hour because the 8-hour is a good cross-section between the 4-hour and the daily. When you are looking at all of the other time frames that the majority of people look at, a lot of the time you cannot get a clear view of a trap. I go to the 8-hour. My favorite time frames are the 8-hour and the 7-minute. The 7-minute is in between the 5 and the 15, two time frames that the lower time frame traders use and weight heavily. The 8-hour is in between the 4-hour and the daily, two time frames that the higher time frame traders weight heavily. Filling the FEG, Blake, that's my belief. There we go, Jacob. Right? Here we go, guys. Let's go down to the 8-hour. Let's see what's going on the 8-hour. Here we go. Guys, does this look great right now? No, right? This doesn't look great. We have wicked up to the top of the channel right now. We do have, actually, it doesn't look bad. We do have the RSI pointed up, straight up to the upside. We have a money, actually, it does look pretty good. We have a money flip on the Stokes to the upside. The MACD is solidly turned up and big green candles on the histogram, guys. We are looking like we want to pop through this level right here. See what I do, guys? I am patterns inside patterns. We were in a falling channel right here. We then created a rising channel. And what is this rising channel also, guys? It is a bull flag, right? Bull flags can go for as long as they want, as long as the flag is a channel. When you measure the pole, which is right here, top of the pole to the bottom of the pole, and you drag this out, if we pop through this channel and we hold it to the upside, very, very likely we're going to make our way up to 66,383. We make our way up to 66,383, guys, and we get above it and hold it, we can move up. Here we go. 8 hours looking promising, right? 8 hours looking good. RSI up, Stokes up, MACD up, green candles on the histogram, Forex. I'm going to block you. Sorry, you can't take over my live with your spam, right? Here we go, guys. Let's go to the 4-hour right now. What is Blake saying? There we go. Here we go. Oh, really? Interesting. Joey Mack. Here we go, guys. On the 4-hour, we are gapped and we are slumping over right here. We are also slumping on the stochastics. What do we need, guys? Right? Shorts, said Blake. There we go. We need some shorts because we're going down. Right? We are rolling over on the stochastics. We are rolling over on the RSI. RSI is gapped. Guys, RSI is gapped. Here's the thing. Does this look a little bearish to me? Yeah, it does. However, when the RSI is gapped and the MACD is pointed up and the Stokes are pointed up at the same time, what are the gaps in the RSI doing? Bearded Assassin, good morning. Nice to see you. The gaps on the RSI, guys, are giving us time. That is what the gaps on the RSI are doing. When we are gapped between the RSI 6, the 12, and the 24, that is telling the lower time frames, right? It is easy if you go by the book. It's hard when you don't and try to guess it. Jacob, you got it, right? Or you go by the patterns and support and resistance and the SMAs like I do, right? We are gapped on the RSI. When we are gapped on the RSI, it is giving the lower time frames time to make a decision. What we need to see here is we need to see the lower time frames ganging up to actually move the mid and the higher time frames up. When they do that, right? And we can hold this level on the 4-hour. If they can do that, the bear slap is coming. Blake, where are you seeing that? The 1 minute? Here we go, guys. Let's make our way through the time frames. 4-hour is giving us time. 8-hour is bullish right now. The 12-hour is bullish, and the daily is bullish, guys. If we get a bear slap, is it going to slap us down enough to not pick up again? That is what we're looking for. Guys, 1 hour is looking bearish right here. We are going to extend my channel. Why? Because we have gone above and beyond it here. Let's pull it out. Here we go, guys. 1 hour is rolling over. Do I like that? No, right? However, if the 1 hour can even flag out here, Jessica Pennington, Pathway, thank you. If the 1 hour can flag out here, guys, right? See this right here? This right here could be a bear flag. We stay above the 50% in the channel, even with the bear slap. Matt Schaub, nice to see you. Guys, if we stay above the 50% with this bear flag, and we even dip below it and then get back up and above it, we can actually come down without losing all of our ground and make it up and out. Here we go, guys. Here is the pull right here. Here's the flag right here. We drag this to the Look at that confluence. Trump is giving his coin investor new hope after he failed them in clarity. Bitch. I'm not going to say that. There we go. Nice to see you too, Matt. Here we go, guys. We do have a bull flag with inside of this channel. What we want to do here and what we want to see is this. We want to see this flag out, come a little bit below the channel if it needs to, and pop up and out of this diagonal resistance. We get up and above this channel right here at 65, 564. Very, very likely, guys. We are going to break out of this bull flag to the upside. Not only do I see a bull flag, I also see this. Here we go, guys. We also have a what? Shoulder, head, shoulder to the upside. We break this level right here. It's right here, guys. We break that level. We are going to pop out of this bull flag to the upside and make our way to 66,328. Okay? 1 hour is looking like we want to come down. Let's check the 27-minute and the 15-minute. Blake is saying, guys, we're struggling right now, but Blake, look at the 27-minute. The 27-minute wants to pop us up here, guys. 27-minute curving up on the RSI. We're curving up on the Stokes, and we are still pointed up on the MACD, guys. Yeah, we are struggling, but that's okay. As long here, guys, did we break that rounded top? Not yet, Ninja. Not yet. Good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, it is okay if we struggle here. What a lot of people don't understand about the charts is this. When we are in a pattern, we can hang around this pattern for as long as we want until we break to the upside or the downside. So if we stay in this bull flag right here, we could be okay no matter what. We are trying to lift up on the 27 minute. We are also lifting up on the Stokes, and the MACD is still green. Guys, 1 hour pointed down, 4 hour pointed up, 8 hour pointed up, 12 hour pointed up, daily pointed up, and now the 27 minute is pointed up, guys. What is that telling us? Where is the majority here? The majority is to the upside. Now, can that change? Yeah, it can, right? But if it does, it has to break not only the diagonal trend line right here at 65.027, we need to break the 50 in the channel, right? If we break the 50 in the channel and we break it decisively, where is our next level of support, guys? It's down at the bottom of this channel right here, right? We break the 50%. Good morning, Heather. Nice to see you. RV and the keys. That sounds good right about now. Here we go, guys. We break this diagonal trend line right here at 65.040. That means that we also break the 50% level in the channel. We break that very, very likely. We are going to make our way to the bottom of the channel. Textbook inverse move, weak jobs report, push dollar down, BTC pop, posted in Skool. There we go, guys. Can you show hype, Mo? I'm not going over any alts today. I'm only in here for another 15 minutes. I'm sorry. But guys, here's the thing, is Bitcoin dominance hasn't dropped enough yet. So a lot of the alts are going to follow this path, okay? Here we go. Solom Spartan is in the house. Good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, here we go. Here are your levels of support and resistance. Whatever upwards we do this month, it's just going to fly down hard soon. Next bear pull coming in time, possibly ARC, right? None of us know, guys, right? None of us know for sure. We can predict moves as we see them on the chart. Here we go. Solom Spartan, thank you for the heart meet. Jessica Pennington, thank you. Here we go. 27 minute, guys. We are popping up to the upside on the 27 minute. Stokes have now turned over to the downside. Let's go to the 15 minute and the 5. Here we go. Sooner than anticipated by many. Lauren, good morning. Thank you for the corgi. Nice to see you. True, it's at a point. It can go any direction. Exactly, Matt. Right? Here we go, guys. 15 minute. What are we doing on the 15 minute? We are curving up on the RSI. Good morning, Lauren. We are curving up on the RSI. MACD is green, but we have a little bit of slumpage here. Let me take a sip of water, guys. We are rolling down on the Stokes. 15 minute is coming down on the RSI. MACD is curving over. Does it look like the 10 o'clock dump? Yeah, guys, kind of does. It's going higher. Jacob, it does look like it is eventually going to, but right now it looks like it's coming down in this bear flag. Excuse me. Right here. There we go, Blake. Guys, what do we see right here? We see a what? Shoulder, head, shoulder. We break this to the downside, guys, and we break this diagonal. We are coming down now on the 7 minute, except the 7 minute is now at the bottom of the channel, and we are trying to curve up with a possible money flip here, right? We are in indecision right now. We need to see this play out right here. Here, let me take a look at the 5 minute, guys. 5 minute, what are we doing? We're coming down on the 5 minute. RSI 6 is below the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Yeehaw, ride the bull, you got it, Jacob. Right? We are now rolling over on the Stokes on the 5 minute, and the MACD is solidly red and coming down, right? We have not bearishly crossed over yet. What we need to see here is we need to see the 5 minute come down to the bottom of that bull flag without breaking this diagonal trend line. Guys, we come down here and we do not break this diagonal trend line or the 50%. Very, very, very likely we are going to hold this bull flag. Jacob, exactly. So nothing less of, I don't agree with that, Jacob, and I'll tell you why, right? It doesn't mean that the higher time frames don't make more of a difference. I actually weight the higher time frames a lot more. However, the lower time frames are what is the initial change of the higher time frames. And when they all gang up together, that is where we get a big move. We are now trying to pop to the upside, but we cannot get up and above this diagonal resistance. And even if we get up and above it, we still have this one right here, guys, right? So what we're watching now is how many of the lower time frames can actually gang up on the mid ones to turn the RSI and the Stokes on the mid time frames. All right? Jacob, I agree with you. I think the higher time frames are weighted. However, the lower time frames, what I've learned from Blake is that the 1 minute can change everything as long as it rolls through the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute. Jacob, thank you. The 5 minute, the 7 minute, the 15. That is how we get a move on the 1 hour and a flip, right? That is what we're looking for. Gonna chop until bears plow through, says Blake. There we go, guys. This is what I'm looking at right here. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you, Lauren. Thank you, Solom. Guys, thank you for being in here today. Here we go. Guys, on the 1 minute. The 1 minute. What are we doing here, Blake? The 1 minute also has a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. We pop through this. Where are we going, guys? We are pointed up on the RSI. We are slumping over a little bit. MACD is turning green. I think I have 3 resistances marked that Bitcoin has to break through for me to flip bullish. Matt, I have more than 3, right? Here we go, guys. We break through this right here. Actually, it is just a W pattern. Here we go. Here's one hump of the W. Here's the second hump of the W. We pop out of this on the 1 hour, guys. This will get us up and over that resistance. Top of the trend line. Bottom of the lowest part of the W. Drag this to the supposed breakout. We pop out of here, 65,313. We are going here at 65,381. Guys, thank you so much for the follows. Thank you so much for the likes and the shares. I appreciate you. We break this level right here at 65,383, which you guys know I have been talking about for the last couple of days. We don't get over a 65.5 decisively. We are not going anywhere fast up to the upside, right? We break this. We're coming here to this target at 65,505. Guys, those are your levels that we are looking at right now on this time frame, on the 1 minute, on the 3 minute, on the 5, right? Blake says we're going to chop till bears plow through. Guys, he's looking at downside here, right? Let's go back up to the 1 hour. I'm going to give you the levels because I'm only in here for a little bit today. We're going to give you these levels. I'm sorry I can't stay today, guys. I will not be on live next week as well. I'm trying to think of who he can watch. 81 people, that's a switch. It is B-Dogs, right? That's a switch. Dill, good morning. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We have this right here. This is what I'm watching. I'm watching this bull flag right here. They can come to school, guys. I will not be on live, but I will be in my school next week, still teaching a class. It is in the first link in my bio. If you want to join there, I am in there every single day teaching a class after this every single day. It is 7 days free, $3 a day after that. Come in and try it out. We have a great group of people. I teach in there every single day. We have trade setups. It is not a signals group. First link in the link in my bio, guys. Hundreds Club, nice to see you. Here we go. My voice is strained today. Here we go, guys. I am watching this bull fly to the upside. Guys, understand, if we do not pop out of this bull flag to the upside, we're going to roll over, more than likely fall through the 50%, and we're going to come down to this cross point, I'm guessing. BTC potential bottom match levels, possibly ARC. Here we go. You know, I don't do predictions at all in here, right? I don't call bottoms and tops. We look at levels and targets, right? If we come down and break this 50% level in this channel, BTC ruined my streak yesterday. Oh no, B-Dogs did it. It's ruining everyone's streak lately. Here we go, guys. We drop below 65,005. We are most likely coming down to the top of this lower channel. Remember, 100% right 50% of the time. Dan, I love that so much. We come down here at 646, guys. And we cannot hold this level. Very, very likely. Still smiling, says B-Dogs. There we go, B-Dogs. You have had quite the streak, too, right? So no wonder why you're still smiling, because you have had quite the streak. Guys, we break this level right here at 64,646. Here is the progression. I'm going to give you guys the levels on the 1 hour. Here it is. We are in a bull flag, but we are in a rising channel. That rising channel is also in itself a bull flag, right? If we pop out of this level, here are your levels to the upside. What time is it? Is it Dookie time, Blake? Is that what you're trying to tell me? We're almost there, right? We're almost there, and we're rolling over on the 1 hour. Guys, right? We're rolling over on the 1 hour. We're right at 10 o'clock. If we do not pop through this level to the upside soon, very, very likely we're going to roll over and come to the bottom of this channel, right? Here we go. George, good morning. Faith, good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, We pop out of here to the upside at 65,564. Here are your levels. Again, sorry, I got sidetracked. Welcome to my life. Guys, we pop out of this diagonal at 65,309. We pop out of there. We are right there right now. We pop out of there. Next level to the upside is the top of this rising channel, which is also a bull flag. And we've got a bull flag within a bull flag, right? We pop through this channel to the upside at 65,473. Very, very likely we're going to make it to this next level at 66,357. We make it up and over that next level to the upside. Guys, here are my levels to the upside, right? 66,327. We break that to the upside. It does look like we are slumping over and coming down now. It is almost 10 o'clock, guys. 10 o'clock dump, right? We make it up and over this level at 66,325. Very, very likely we're going to run at this level. If we hold that level, we're going to 66,856. We get up and above that and bullishly retest that level and hold that level. Where are we going next? 67,367. We break that level. Very, very likely we are going to make our way to the bottom of this channel to tap it. What is the problem with this channel? The problem with this channel, guys, is that it is a big bear flag on the daily. And we can, you guys know when I am in here, I treat price getting back into a pattern that price has previously respected as if it never left, which means this. If we get back into this channel from the downside, yes, we can make it to the top, but we also have a chance of making it to the top and turning around and dumping right back down out of that bear flag. We need to invalidate it, right? We don't invalidate that bear flag. It is still there. It is still present, and price will still respect it as normal, okay? Those are your levels to the upside, guys. Here are your levels to the downside. We know that the 1 hour is slumping over, right? The 1 hour is slumping over. The 4 hour is now slumping over on the RSI with gaps. The gaps are giving me a little bit of hope that maybe it's allowing the lower time frames a little bit of time to actually turn up. But we are also slumping on the stochastics, right, guys? And the MACD is looking a little slumpy here as well. Here are your levels to the downside. If we do take the dookie that Blake is talking about right now, and we roll over and we break the 50 in this channel right here. We break that 50. We're coming down to this cross point right here at 64,658. I think the last bear flag on the 4 hour just got invalidated. Uh-oh. So there we go. Got to the one. Look at the pattern. Classic. Uh-oh. So, hey, Steph. Nice to see you. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, we make it down past the 50. Very, very likely we're going to make it down to this cross point at 64,658. Good morning. Why are you screaming, Capitano? You know what? I always scream. Nice to see you, though. I'm glad you're here this morning. Guys, we break this cross. I'm glad you're here this morning. Guys, we break this cross point right here at 64,641. Where are we headed? Next level to the downside is here at 63,585. We break that. We've got a little level below us at 63,404. Next level. Get used to it, says Steph. I love that. It is the hype we need, says Matt. Thank you. Here we go, guys. We break this level to the downside at 63,421. Where are we headed, guys? We're headed to the 50% and past it at 63,055. Guys, see this progression? It is not straight up or straight down. We have to break levels to the downside or to the upside to get to the next one. That is why I work in levels in here and not in targets. Your targets do not matter if you have a level of support or resistance between your entry and the target, right? There is always a chance you will stop at that resistance or that support. The market maker, thank you for the follow. D, good morning. Nice to see you. K Davies is in the house. Here we go, guys. We break this level. 63,051. Very, very likely we're going to come here at 62,277. And if we make it there, guys, we are going to the bottom of the channel here at 61,757, right? 61,757. Guys, That is our most important level here. I'm going to lower my music because my voice is killing me. 61,757. We break that level. We are breaking this whole bottom channel. Guys, we break this level right here. It is a major behavior level, and we are breaking the bottom of the channel. Bellstar, nice to see you. We break that level, guys. We are coming down. Why are we coming down? Hey, Johan, nice to see you. Why are we coming down, guys? We have created... Oh, we did break this rounded top. Guys, we close this candle here. We have broken this... No, we have not. We have not. Guys, we are in a big rounded top. Right? Feral Candles is in the house. Good morning, lady. How are you? What are you seeing? Grim, good morning. Maureen Perry, good morning. Nice to see you guys. Listen, we are in a big rounded top. We don't end with, we have created a higher high here, but we need to hold it, right? Thank you for sharing the live, Solom. Don't forget to drink sometimes. Thank you, Johan. You're the best. Thank you. Here we go, guys. We break our way back through this bottom channel. We're going to start falling. We need to hold at one of these levels in the channel. We don't hold, guys. And we roll over here. Look at what we are creating on a bigger time frame. What is it, guys? It is a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. We break this right shoulder down and we break this channel. Guess what? We are coming down, and not only are we coming down, but we are coming down to validate that bear flag. What validates this bear flag right here on the daily? Once we get past this wick right here at 57,722. Good morning, Timber. Nice to see you. Guys, look at what we're creating here. It's not looking good if we drop out of that channel, right? We drop out of this channel, we're coming here first. 61,114. Next level is here at 60,292. We break that. We're coming down here at 59,161. We break that. Shoulders from a bodybuilder. You got it, Johan. Big, burly shoulders. Doug, Johan, Timber, thank you for the heart me's. Guys, we're coming down in big bodybuilder shoulders like Johan just said. Right? We break this level right here at 59,024. We're coming down here to validate that bear flag. 57,585. Good morning. DXY failing. Japan's new crypto rules enacted. Yen rising. We are bullish for now, says Farrell. Guys, listen to Farrell. Johan, thank you. Right? What she's telling us is that we could have some upside here based on the macro factors. Right? There we go. Here we go, guys. If we roll down here, that is where we are going. Those are your levels to the upside and the downside. Let's check on the lower time frames to see what we are doing. Guys, thank you for being in here. Solom, thank you. Guys, thank you for being in here. Thank you for achieving my goal. Thank you for being in here every day and for supporting me. I am going to go down the lower time frames. We're going to check BTC on the lower time frames one more time, and then I'm going to take a look at gold and the DXY, and we are going to get out of here for the day because I'm leaving on vacation. Mama B thing, I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, so I came in here. Japan, 20% flat tax on crypto, down from 55. Crypto is a security, says Farrell. Let's go. 501, happy vacay. Thank you, Mayo, and thank you. Very nice, man. Where's the assistant? She's not here. She is driving my kids to our vacation home. Blake, thank you. Boom, he goes. There we go, guys. Let's see what's going on. There was the dump, right? Let's see what's going on the lower time frames. Let's take a look here. Andy, good morning. Thank you. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We're dumping out here. Where are we going to catch? Here we go, guys. We are still in the bull flag, though, right? We're still in the bull flag. Guys, if we hold this right here, and I'm going to move this level down because I think it's a wider one. There it is. If we stay in this bull flag, see what could be a trap here, guys. Things that it kick clarity down the road, so will not happen before break now. Yikes, Solom. They keep on kicking that thing down the road, right? I'm gonna block this account. Sorry, guys. I'm doing double duty this morning. Good morning from San Diego, Sunny. Good morning. Nice to see you. Soul in the lead, guys. Here we go. We say in this bull flag we can pop out. If we don't, very, very likely we're gonna roll down here. We're gonna roll down here. We're gonna fall back in the channel. Have a wonderful and blessed vacation. Thank you. Will we pump trap today? What do you think, guys? Here is what I can see happening, right? And I am not always right, and you can't take my word for it. What I see happening is this. If they drop us down below the 50% in this channel, going to retest the 6504 level is my guess. There we go, Tamber. We may be. Here is the thing, guys. If we stay in this bull flag, they could drop us below the 50%. And people, thank you so much, Solom. And people will think that we are dropping. Thank you, Bellstar. If we drop below this 50% right here, people will think we are dropping. If we catch on this diagonal trend line at 64,915 and keep on moving our way through this bull flag, guys, very, very likely this could be a trap to the downside and we could bump out. I do see us rolling over pretty heavily here on the 15-minute. 5 minutes, 7 minute, let's check it. We are getting a little bit of curvature on the 7, but not enough for me to think that we're going. Bam, said Blake. Blake, you caught it again. What a G. I do see curvature on the 5 though, guys, right? We see curvature on the 5 now. A little bit of curvature on the 7. Is that gonna bleed up through the time frames? That is what we need, in my opinion. If we wanna stay bullish, we need to stay up and above this level right here or up and above this level. See the 50, see the 200 riding up to us on the 5. If we come down, I would love to see us bounce off of that. We bounce off of that, I think that we have a chance to go to the upside. If not, and we fall through, very, very likely we're going to the bottom of the channel. Guys, everything is an if-then statement. It is never the history said this or we're going here or this is where we're headed because I think so. That is not what this is. It is an if this, then this statement, right? Jam wants to collab with you. I don't know who Jam is. I'm sorry. Take a peek at one. We'll take a peek at the 1, Blake. Guys, Blake is in here. Here we go. Gabe, I don't know who Jam is, but tell him to DM me. I love to take a look. Oh, Jam. I know who that is. Absolutely. He can DM me. Here we go, guys. I don't know a lot of his content because I don't watch a ton of other technical analysts on this app. However, I have heard good things about him. What I will say is this. We do have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Blake, is that what you're looking at here or an M pattern? That could be what brings us down, right? That could be what brings us down, but I do see some curvature on the 1 minute here, guys, right? We do have an M pattern. It is right here. Here's one hump of the M. Here's the second hump of the M. We break through here, guys. Where are we headed? You measure an M pattern from the top of the highest peak of the M. Yeah, there we go. The last time Japan and U.S. did this was 1998. There is no guys, what Farrell is saying is exactly what I just said, right? If you dial your audio levels, you can still yell and have it clear. Jonathan, if I knew how to do that, I would love to do that, right? I would love to do that. I wish send me a DM. I'll send you my dials. And if you can tell me which ones to turn which way, that would be great. I would love to sound clearer than I sound. Guys, here we go. Top of the M. Bottom of the trend line. Blake, is this what you're seeing? Yeah, it's what I'm seeing now too. Except, Blake, look where we are right now. We are right on a cross point. If this does bounce and we are curving up on the RSI and the stochastics, guys, right? We are curving up on both. If we bounce here, this is not going to play out. Here's your first move to the downside if we do fall through this level at 65,031. Very, very likely we're going to come down here at 64,745. LOL, glad you're willing to figure it out, Jonathan. I'm open for suggestions on charts and everything else, right? I am not stuck in my ways at all. I'm glad you're here today. Thank you for being here. Guys, 64,745, that is the breakdown of this one hump of the M, second hump of the M right here. Guys, we break that down. We're coming down here. Zena, nice to see you. Guys, here are the levels once again, and then I'm going to take a quick look at the DXY, and we're going to be out of here for the day. Actually, you know what? I'll take a quick look at the DXY, then we'll round back to the levels. Sorry, guys. My voice at the end of the week, always a little scratchy. Let's go to the DXY. Let's see what the DXY is doing. Farrell says it's failing, and yes, it is. Here we go, guys. You guys know I have seen strength in the DXY, but look at what this looks like now, right? Look at what this looks like now. It's rolling over. 4 hours rolling over. What are we rolling over from, guys? We're rolling over from a bear flag. Right? DXY, yen, and yields are running together. Sui, quickly, big brother, I'm sorry I'm not doing any alts today. I have to leave on vacation. Here we go, guys. We have a big bear flag that this is dropping out of. Guys, this may be the move. Here we go. We have got a pull. We have got a long bear pull to the downside. Right here it is right here. We have also got our flag. Here it is. Here is the flag, guys. This is what we're dropping out of right here. See this? Here we go. There's one diagonal trend line. Here's the other one right here. Guys, we are dropping out. Could this be a fake out? BTC closes 2-hour candle, 65.009, rejected off 65.4. There we go, Solom. Here we go, guys. If we are breaking this down for real, this could be a big dump. Realize that the bottom of this channel is a 20-year channel that we jumped back into. This is going to hold as major support for me at 99,148. We hold that for Vochi. Nice to see you. We hold this and we bounce off of this. We could get another leg up. If we do not, and we bleed this, Farrell, I don't know what you're seeing here on the DXY. This does look like we want to fall out, right? If we do, guys, our bear flag target is down here at 97.84. Do I think we're going all the way down there? No, I do not. But we could have a bump to this level, and this would allow us a bump to the upside on Bitcoin. That is what I'm looking at right now. You guys, the trend is your big friend. Exactly. Jamie, I'm not doing any alts today. I'm sorry. I am leaving today for vacation, so I'm not doing any alts, including XRP, and I'm sorry. But, guys, here's the thing. If Bitcoin runs right now, the alts will follow. Bitcoin dominance will then drop if we go sideways, right? And that is where we're going to get our big pops. So watch, safe trip. Thank you for Vochi. Guys, here we go. We are dropping out of a bear pennant to the downside. We drop out of this. Here we go. First level of support on the DXY, 99,149. We are in volume gaps, 99.25. Caveman Fantasy. Don't try to sneak in here without me saying hi to you. Caveman Fantasy is in the house, guys. Please give him a follow. He is a great creator. And a very good friend, and he is in here. He makes. Can you do the Comex? Caveman, I'm leaving for vacation today, so I'm not doing any alts today. And if I was gonna do one, it would be for you. Thank you. Guys, Caveman Fantasy, give him a follow. He does a live every single Sunday night with Blockchain Bully and with Crypto Wewo, and it is a great show. Give him a follow. Here we go, guys. We break this level right here at 99.14. Very likely we're going to come down to this next support at 98.30. Realize the DXY doesn't move the same as crypto, right? So we've got a lot of support there. Very, very good chance we're going to catch on one of these supports and bounce. Right? And that way, if we do get a bounce in crypto, very, very likely when the DXY bounces, we're going to get a dip in crypto, right? That is the way it goes. Sometimes we run with the DXY, but often one of them is lying, right? There is DXY. Guys, I'm going to show you gold. And the reason why I'm going to show you gold is that I talked about it with Farrell. I also talked about it with Blake. Gold looks like it wants to power up here, guys. Right? And we don't often take a look at gold in here, but I will take a look at this because I know that it is somewhat of a hedge, to crypto, right? Here we go, guys. Gold is looking like we are in a big bull flag on the daily and on the 4-day. I'm going to go to the 4-day so you can see it a little bit better. Guys, here it is. Look at gold, right? Looks like we're in a big bull flag to the upside. Here it is right here. Here is the pull. Here is the flag. That pull could even be bigger. Bitcoin dropping. There we go. Guys, remember, Bitcoin can drop as long as we don't break one of those major supports. Wouldn't gold naturally go up if the DXY was going down? It depends, right? It depends on the macro environment that we're in right now. It can be flipped up a little bit, and some of them can run together, right? Here we go. Gold right here, guys, looking bullish, right? If we do break out of this bull flag here and we break this wick right here at 56.76, we could go all the way up here, in my opinion, to 6,500, right? 6,500. DXY down, BTC up. You got it. Nice M on the 3-minute. There we go, guys. Solom, thank you. Here we go, guys, on gold. I am seeing these 3 moves. First one, 48.73. Next one, the wick at the top of this bull flag at 56.76. Third one is this at 6,500, right? We're not going to go straight there. It's going to take a while. However, gold is looking bullish to me. Guys, I'm going to give you the levels on BTC, and then I'm going to be out for the day. We are falling, and we are falling pretty good here. Blake called it again, guys, right? Blake from the lower time frames. And because I don't have as much time in here today, I'm just going to give you the levels, and we're going to pop out for the day. Here they are. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. When I get back from vacation the week after next, I will be on all platforms. If you guys want to follow me on the other platforms, I may look and sound clearer from one of those other ones. They are all in the link in my bio. Please go and follow me on all of those platforms. Those are my only verified links. Blake is a G every single day. Yes, he is, Andy. Here we go. Guys, let's go to the 4 hour. I'm going to give you these levels. Boeda, nice to see you. Mark Carmichael, thank you. Here we go, guys. What are we doing? We've fallen back into that channel, but are we still in the bull flag? Let's take a look. I think gold and silver will be bullish for about a month. Just a month, Matt. That doesn't seem like a long time. Gold and corn, says Farrell. Morning, Boeda. Nice to see you. Guys, we are falling out of this now. Here is the if-then statement, right? We are now falling out of this to the downside. You guys know, both in here and in my group, I use the 1 hour as my time frame to actually get into trades. When we break the moving averages, good morning, CT Trades, nice to see you. When we break the moving averages, the simple moving averages and the smooth moving average to the downside, and open a 1 hour candle below those moving averages, that is my indication to get into a short. Guys, here's the if-then statement. We stay above these moving averages, we can break out of this bull flag. And now this bull flag is looking like we're kind of tilting down a little bit, right? There we go. Guys, we hold these moving averages right here. We can pop out to the upside. We don't hold them and we open a 1 hour candle below the moving averages. Guess where we're going? We're most likely going to come and retest the bottom of this channel right here at 64.6. We break that, we're coming down to the downside. Guys, here are your levels. If then statement, I will be watching the 1 hour moving averages. We break the simple and the smooth moving average. We open a 1 hour candle below these. Guess where we're headed? Most likely, here are your levels to the downside. First level to the downside, if we break the moving averages right here, is 64.614. Next level to the downside, guys, we have the 200 right below us on the hourly. We could bounce off of that at 63.571. We break that, we're coming down here at 63.567. We break that, we're coming down to 63.368. And if we break that and the 50%, we're coming down to 63,000. We break 63,000, guys. Our major level below that is 62,334. And if we break that, we are coming down to the bottom of the bigger channel at 61,771, right? VIX breaking 15. We move to low volume bulls. They let us fall, says Farrell. Guys, listen to her, right? Here we go, guys. We break this level at 61,771. Very, very likely we're coming to 61,115. We break that, we're coming to 60,000. Guys, realize that if we break out of that bottom lower channel, there is a way bigger move. Andy, I see him. Here we go. Guys, we break that bottom channel. We are very, very likely coming down in a big way. Why? Because we are in a big rounded top, right? Big rounded top, guys. We break that down, we're coming down a lot farther. right? And now the RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and 24 to the downside. We have the Stokes heavily rolling over on the hourly. VIX is on the trampoline to move bearish quickly. Be careful out there. Move any stop out of here. Guys, she's telling you we are moving, right? And we are rolling over on the hourly heavily. We do see some curvature here, so it is telling me there is a chance we can still pop out of this bull flag, right? Lars, good morning. Nice to see you. I shorted on 65K BTC. I hope it goes to 62. Hope it does, right? Here we go, guys. Here are the levels to the upside. Here's the if then statement. If we hold these moving averages right here, which we are seeing some curvature here, we hold these moving averages and we pop out, here are your levels to the upside, 65,225. We break out of 65,225, we're coming to 65,528. We break out of there, more than likely we're coming up to hit this target of the bull flag at 66,153. We break out of 66,153, guys. We're going to go and run at this level right here at 66,367. We break that. We're going to come here at 66,848. We break that. 67,367. Solom, Spartan, and Mark, thank you. We break that. We are coming to the bottom of this upper channel that we have been trying to get back in for a long time. I don't know why, guys, but today I feel like they may be breaking us down here to pop us back up. Right? Hope is the word of 2026, BB. You got it, Tarek. Right? Guys, bottom of the channel here at 68,944. There it is, guys. Those are your levels to the upside and the downside. Stefan, I didn't do XRP because I'm leaving on vacation today. Macro Chop, I'm going to take a quick look at XRP because I know a lot of people are asking for it in the chat. I'm just going to give you the levels. This is going to be super quick. Guys, I see a bear flag right away on XRP. Right? Here it is right here. Bear flag right here. I'm going to go through this really, really quickly. Here is the pole. Here is the flag. This looks like we're breaking it down. We are right under a main level of support here, guys. First level to the downside. It does look like we're rolling over heavily, right? Does look like we're rolling over heavily to the downside. First level is right here at 99.68. Next level is down here. I'm out. You're leaving, V-Dogs. Why are you leaving? Here we go. Next level is down here at 97.51. Next level is down here at 91.81. And if we break that, more than likely we're going to 86.80. Okay? Those are your levels to the downside, the immediate ones. It does look like we're coming down here on XRP. The levels to the upside that we need to break is this level right here at 107.26. We break that, we're going here at 109.23. We break that, we're going to 114.25. We break that, we're coming up to the top of the channel at 150.69. It does look like we're heading down, though. Farrell Candle says 81 cents. There we go. Guys, she's rooting for the 81 cents. Guys, we break down at 94 cents. We're going to 85, 87 right here, 07, and then down here at 70. Okay? It does look like we're rolling over, and the site, yeah, guys, there's a major psychological level at $1. Right? $1 is the major psychological level. Okay? Obnoxious chart, AA, that's okay. I understand. Not everyone has to like me. Guys, those are the levels to the upside and the downside that we have here. It does look like we're curving a little bit. However, let me just check the 4 hour and see what the 4 hour is doing on Bitcoin. Guys, the 4 hour is now rolling over on Bitcoin. We roll over heavily on the RSI and the Stokes and the MACD on the 4 hour. And then we start rolling on the 8 hour. That is going to be your indication that we're probably going to roll through this channel, right? Never mind. I don't know where it went. Says 501 is 87 cents. The other support that you haven't pulled all the way through. Yes, right? I think so. Guys, if we roll over on the 4 hour and then you see curvature on the 8 hour to the downside, that is going to be your indication that we are rolling over. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. As you can tell, my voice is has had it today, so probably good thing that I'm going on vacation. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. Thank you for being here today. If you have followed me directly from the live, thank you for being new in here and welcome. If you have not followed me yet and you've been hanging out in here this whole time and you would like to follow me, please follow me right now. BB, you're absolutely right. Ignore the negative comments. Thank you. I am who I am, guys. I haven't changed in 12 months. I'm probably not going to change. It's just who I am. But I appreciate the suggestions for sure. Guys, if you have not followed me, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. Thank you guys so much for being in here today, right? Thank you, Cal, Matt. I appreciate you. Trades, Joey. No, it's not a pineapple resort. I love that. The bear's butthole always smells, says Sparrow. Guys, we were talking about this yesterday. What I will say, 12 months, I haven't changed in 54 years, says Mike. The bear's butthole always smells. Guys, B-Dogs, I thought you were leaving. I thought you were mad at me, and that's why you're leaving. Guys, ADHD, we take things very sensitively, right? What I will say is this. I was talking to my group yesterday, and remember, those negative comments help your algorithm, so just tell them thank you. That's what I do. Guys, I was talking to my class yesterday in Skool. I was also talking to Farrell yesterday afternoon. I've also had this conversation with Blake. Do I think that we are at the bottom? I never called the top or the bottom, but what I will say is what I said to them, which is this. I've been in a bear market. I've been at the bottom of a bear market, and frankly, I round-tripped that that bull market. I round-tripped, right? A lot of what I held. What I will say is this. When we are at the bottom of a bear market, there is not hopium like there is right now, right? And I may be wrong, right? I may be completely wrong. However, I remember the bottom of the bear market, and I will tell you, I was hearing crypto is a scam and Bitcoin is going to zero pretty much every single time crypto was mentioned. What are we hearing now, right now, guys? We're hearing, guess what? We're lifting up. We're ready to go. Every pop, everyone is ready to jump on the bandwagon, and we're ready to go to the moon. Guys, that is not the sentiment at the bottom, as far as I'm concerned. And could this time be different? 150%, right? I'm not always right. I'm just human. But I will say this is not giving me bear market bottom vibes right now. Macros are not in line, says Farrell. Guys, the macros aren't in line, and the sentiment right now is not in line as far as I'm concerned. So I don't know where we're going, and I don't know where the bottom is, and I will never guess the bottom. What I will say is I've been hearing this many times. Guys, I'm not hearing this right now, right? Every single pop, the creators get on, they say, I think this is it. I'm feeling like we're getting bullish. Guys, that isn't it as far as I'm concerned. So I will keep charting objectively because no one knows where we're going to go. And if we break certain resistance levels to the upside, you guys know my levels, right? Difference because institutions have their fingers in the pie. Exactly, Andy. But the other thing that I told my group, and when I was talking to Farrell, we talked about this yesterday. Guys, we need to think rationally when it comes to crypto. I think one of the things that we do on a regular basis in crypto is we think irrationally, right? Those charts whipsawing us back and forth, they make us think irrationally. What we need to think about here is if this is the institutional run, do we think that the institutions are going to want to buy at 75K Bitcoin? Probably not. Right? Why would they buy at 75K if they can run us all the way back down to the 40s, right? Or to the 50s even. Run us all the way back down there and buy down there. Guys, institutions are smart money. They are not looking to buy even at the middle. They're looking to buy at the bottom. And do we think they've all gotten in yet? I don't think so. So that is just my opinion. And I do want to share that with you guys because I thought about this yesterday and I thought, you know what? Is this feeling like a bottom? Is this feeling like the last time? Does it need to feel exactly like that? No. But institutions are not going to want to get in at a 75K Bitcoin right now. So even if so my thought process is this. They are trying to get as many people out in this chop, just like Farrell said to me yesterday. They're trying to get as many people out and get as much money as they can play with from retail traders right now that they can before they dump us back down and make it seem like crypto is going to zero, right? Good morning, 445. Nice to see you. 456, I'm sorry. Guys, that is my opinion. I'll hold it until I don't. You guys know my levels. We get to 89.9K. I'll be 50% bullish. And I'll think, all right, we got a leg up here. 89.9K. Thank you, Stefan. 89.9K. Right? Where am I fully bullish? 108.9. Guys, 108.9K. We are just above halfway there. I've been accumulating and building my multi-year bags. Thank you, Stefan. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for being here every day. You're a G. My opinion, too, I think institutions will make it rocket when they decide it's the bottom. You got it, 501. And not until then. Guys, B-Rose is in here. Give him a follow. Stefan, thank you. Give him a follow. He is a great creator. He does great content and cracks me up every day. Get us in, then out, then they get in. Exactly, Lady Long-Term. Stefan, thank you for lighting me up. I appreciate you. Guys, they are going to do what they are going to do. Our job here is to, number one, be realistic. Number two, think rationally. Number three, learn as much as we can in the bear market so that we are ahead of the game when we get to the bull. That is my purpose in being here. Is because I went through a bull market and then a bear market and I round tripped. I'm trying to prepare you guys, whether or not you want to buy and hold, to buy at the bottom and to sell at the top. And I don't mean the exact bottom and the exact top. We're never going to catch it. But I want you guys to be prepared, right? Thank you, Solom. Oh, I got to see that one. Thank you so much. I love that one, Solom. You're such a G. Thank you. Thank you, Solom. Thank you, Stefan. Thank you, all of the other people who gave me gifts today. I appreciate you. The fiance is up by 501. Blessings and prayers to you, right? Guys, ooh, wings. I know. Gorgeous, right? Guys, let's just be realistic, right? Let's think how, like Farrell says every day, let's think like the banks. Right? And if we think like the banks, more than likely, we're not going to get caught in the hopium that's going on right now. And I'm not fully bearish. We can turn around and we can go. Right? But until we do that and we get up and we hold resistance levels and we don't get up, wick up, swing, wick, fail, chop back down until we stop creating that pattern, I am here and I'm being realistic. And we're going to take a look at the charts objectively every day. Okay? Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all the gifts. You guys are unbelievable. Thank you for hanging with me this week. Thank you to my mods, Money Talk, Rude Boy, Assistant, Eric Watson, Lady Long-Term, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, B-Rose, and Dream to Action. You guys are G's. Thank you so much for hanging out with me every single day. Guys, I will be back in a week and a couple days. I will be back. I hope you guys will all come back and hang out with me. Thank you guys for holding it down while I'm away on vacation. I do have to take time with my family. I work pretty much 24 hours a day. That's just who I am, and it's okay, but I also need to give them time as well. So I appreciate you guys holding my spot while I'm away and coming back when I come back. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you have an unbelievable day. If you want to join my group, I will be in there for the next week. So if you don't want to miss me, that is where I'll be. It is 7 days free. You can start your 7 days right now and use it for the time that I'm gone, and I'm in there. Guys, that is in the link in my bio. My Bitunix code is right here. If you're a leverage trader, please use this. You guys get a bonus. I get commission. It supports my channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And lastly, guys, thank you so much. And lastly, to the lake with you. Have so much fun. Thank you. Guys, I will be creating content from there. I will be doing some Bitcoin updates, maybe some XRP updates from there as well. Bitcoin rejected to the downside. There we go. I predict crypto prices. Can I send you predictions? No, thank you. I appreciate you, market maker, but no, that's okay. I have my own TA. Guys, and lastly, and most importantly, we are put on this earth to serve. And when we do what we are put on this earth to do, it makes our life more fulfilled, right? If you are not serving others and you are not paying it forward and you are not sharing your abundance of time and joy and energy and love and wealth, you are not doing this life right. We need to be doing that every single day. And like Farrell says, when we do that, we create just a ripple that together joins together and creates a wave. And that is what changes the world. Guys, we need a change in this world big time, right? You can just look out there. There are so many people suffering in so many different ways. It only takes one of us to create that ripple to actually help join the wave together to change the world. Sorry, I got caught up there for a second. Be the ripple that makes the wave every single day, guys, right? Live in gratitude. Be grateful for what you have. Pay it forward. Share what you have. And oh God, I can't do this today. Here we go. Find your inner path. There we go. Guys, live in gratitude. Pay it forward. Make someone's day better every single day. That is the way we create a better world. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Have a great week to all of you. Bye, guys. Thank you.